Hello and welcome to Consumer Tech. So today, we're counting down the top 5 best solar generators of 2025 perfect for camping, emergencies, or off-grid living. These power stations combine efficiency, portability, and cutting-edge technology to keep your devices running anywhere. Stay tuned as we break down their features, pros, and what makes each one stand out. And don't forget the links to all the featured generators are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 5. Jackary Solar Generator 4000 Kit represents a significant leap forward in portable power solutions, designed to meet the needs of outdoor enthusiasts, emergency preparedness, and sustainable energy advocates alike. At its core, this kit combines the robust Jackary Explorer 4000 power station with high-efficiency solar panels, offering a comprehensive energy solution that can be utilized in a variety of settings. One of the standout features of the Jackary Solar Generator 4000 kit is its impressive capacity. With a massive 4,224 watt of power storage, it provides ample energy to power a wide range of devices, from small electronics like smartphones and laptops to larger appliances such as refrigerators and power tools. This makes it an ideal companion for camping trips, tailgating events, and even during power outages at home. The kit includes solar panels that are designed to harness sunlight efficiently, allowing users to recharge the power station using renewable energy. The solar panels are lightweight, portable, and easy to set up, making them perfect for off-grid adventures. Additionally, the integrated MPPT maximum power point tracking technology ensures faster solar charging, maximizing energy conversion and reducing downtime. Durability and reliability are also key aspects of the Jackary Solar Generator 4000 kit. Built with high-quality materials, the power station is designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor use, while the solar panels are weather-resistant, ensuring they perform well even in less than ideal conditions. Number 4. Bluetti AC180 is an innovative portable power station that has garnered attention for its impressive capacity and versatility. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts and emergency preparedness, the AC180 combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, making it an essential tool for those who require reliable power on the go. At the heart of the AC180 is its robust lithium iron phosphate LiFePO4 battery, which offers a long cycle life and enhanced safety compared to traditional lithium-ion batteries. With a substantial energy capacity, the AC180 can power a wide range of devices, from smartphones and laptops to small appliances and camping gear. Its multiple output ports, including AC outlets, USB-A and USB-C ports, and a car port, cater to various charging needs, ensuring that users can keep all their devices powered up. One of the standout features of the Bluetti AC180 is its compact and lightweight design, making it easy to transport for camping trips, road trips, or outdoor events. Additionally, it supports solar charging, allowing users to harness renewable energy and extend their power supply when off the grid. The compatibility with solar panels not only makes it environmentally friendly, but also enhances its practicality for prolonged adventures. The AC180 is also equipped with a clear and intuitive LCD display, providing users with real-time information on battery status, output wattage, and remaining runtime. This feature is particularly helpful for managing power consumption and ensuring that devices are charged efficiently. Number 3. Jackary Explorer 1000, a powerhouse portable power station that has garnered significant attention for its impressive performance and versatility. Designed with outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and those seeking a reliable backup power source in mind, the Explorer 1000 packs a punch with its robust 1002 ion battery. This capacity allows it to power a wide range of devices, from small electronics like smartphones and laptops to larger appliances such as mini fridges and CPAP machines. One of the standout features of the Jackary Explorer 1000 is its multiple output options. It comes equipped with several AC outlets, USB ports, and a DC car port, enabling users to charge or power multiple devices simultaneously. This versatility makes it an excellent choice for road trips, camping adventures, or even emergency situations at home. In addition to its impressive power capabilities, the Explorer 1000 boasts a user-friendly design. It features a clear LCD display that provides real-time information on battery status, input, output wattage, and remaining runtime, allowing users to monitor their power usage easily. Its compact and lightweight design, coupled with a sturdy handle, makes it highly portable, making it easy to take anywhere. Moreover, the Jackary Explorer 1000 can be recharged through various methods, including AC wall outlets, solar panels, or carports, providing flexibility for outdoor excursions or when traditional power sources are unavailable. Number 2. Anker Solx C1000, a versatile and innovative power station that stands out in the crowded market of portable energy solutions. Designed with both convenience and efficiency in mind, the Solx C1000 boasts a robust capacity that can cater to a wide range of devices and applications, making it ideal for outdoor adventures, emergency situations, or simply as a reliable backup power source at home. With a sleek and compact design, the Solx C1000 is easy to transport, fitting seamlessly into your camping gear or emergency kit. It features multiple output options, including AC outlets, USB-A ports, and USB-C ports, allowing you to charge everything from smartphones and laptops to larger appliances like mini fridges or power tools. This versatility makes it an essential companion for road trips, camping excursions, or even backyard barbecues. One of the standout features of the Anker Solx C1000 is its impressive recharging capabilities. Whether you choose to recharge it via a wall outlet, in your car, or using solar panels, you can quickly restore its capacity, ensuring that you're never left without power. The inclusion of smart charging technology optimizes power delivery, making sure that your devices charge efficiently and safely. Additionally, the Solx C1000 is equipped with advanced safety features including overvoltage, overcurrent, and short-circuit protection, providing peace of mind while using it with various devices. Number 1. Ecoflow Delta 3 Plus, a remarkable portable power station that caters to the growing demand for reliable and efficient energy sources in various settings. Whether you're planning an outdoor adventure, need backup power during emergencies, or simply want a convenient solution for off-grid living, the Delta 3 Plus is designed to meet those needs with ease. One of the standout features of the Delta 3 Plus is its impressive capacity, allowing users to harness enough power to keep multiple devices running simultaneously. With a robust output capability, it can charge everything from smartphones and laptops to larger appliances, making it an incredibly versatile addition to your power solutions. The unit's impressive battery management system ensures safety and longevity, enabling users to rely on it without concerns about overheating or overcharging. Additionally, the Delta 3 Plus boasts a variety of ports, including AC outlets, USB-A, USB-C, and DC outputs, providing flexibility for charging different types of devices. The inclusion of fast charging technology means that users can recharge the power station quickly, whether it's through a traditional wall outlet, solar panels, or a car charger. This adaptability makes it a perfect companion for camping trips, tailgating events, or even everyday use at home. Moreover, the Delta 3 Plus is designed with portability in mind. Its compact and lightweight construction allows for easy transportation, making it hassle-free to bring along on any adventure.